I can't wait anymore. Tell me where we are going.
It's a surprise.
Can you give me a hint at least?
Well, a poet might say there's a harmony in the wind and sweet smell of wild flowers.
New Zealand?
No. We'll listen to the amazing melody of the open desert.
We're going on a Sahara adventure.
Another clue. We'll ski the slopes of beautiful mountains.
Are we going to the French Alps?
Nice try, but no. We'll visit a world where magical rocks rise up against time.
Traveling across Arizona?
Guess again. At night, we'll explore the wild party atmosphere of a pulsating and dynamic city.
Is it partying all night in a city like Shanghai?
No, but you'll love the peace and tranquility of rich forests and crystal lakes.
Going on an adventure across Switzerland?
No, darling. You'll watch the sun's rays light up stunning red caves.
So where are we going?
USA?
Canada? Africa?
Enjoy your trip to Kazakhstan.